So if you said yes to that question, that you do exercise selective altruism, we basically put this into the category for the search for meaning of the search for unity. And the reason we described this, and this is our conclusion point here, as a search for unity is that you're willing to help more or less individuals that share a very similar experience as you. And you're willing to somewhat kind of selectively choose that as there are people that you think maybe that you can help the most in some context because you've shared so much similarities with them. And so your priority then is to kind of build this search for a unity within your own subgroup, whatever topic, identity, or whatever you want to call it. And so, this is our conclusion point for a conforming collectivist, sympathist, selective altruist. It is the search for unity.